Yo guys, I'm gonna show you how to get old animal company. So all you gotta do is go to itch, search up old company. Yeah, old company, and then old company reborn. And if you want like the really old one, is this one with the 220. I'm gonna get the really old one. So you also need mobile VR station. So my thing got finished downloading. I'm in mobile VR station now. So what you gotta do, follow my steps. Alright, you gotta click this configuration wizard. I'm here to mod, configure scope storage, and then configure scope storage. And then request access. And it should bring this window up. Click download. You should see oldest company. Download it, install it, just wait. Alright, you click open. Alright, I'm in here. It's gonna ask you for a microphone. Normal, that's just normal. And I'm literally in here. I got boombox.